Welcome to the Ghetto Gourmet. Oh yeah, let's get it. All right, we're gonna make a quick naked shrimp po' boy. And first I'm gonna start off with a few peppers here. Got a red bell pepper. Let's give it a few quick chops and move on to the next step. All right, I got a big white onion here. Gonna give it a quick rough chop. Add that with our peppers and give it a quick saute. Move on to the next step. Alrighty, we got some olive oil here. Gonna coat our pan. Give these onions and peppers a quick saute. Nothing too fancy here. This is a quick, easy, great tasting shrimp po' boy. So let's move on. Alright, here we have some raw, peeled and deveined shrimp. They're frozen, so you're gonna want to let them sit in the pan to melt and then drain the water off. And we'll move on to our next step. Oh yeah. Alright, our shrimp have melted. Time to incorporate them with the peppers and onions and get it seasoned up. We got some light sea salt. Got some curry powder. Onion powder. Paprika. And black peppercorns. Give this a quick mix. And like I said, this is a simple freestyle recipe by the Ghetto Gourmet. Naked shrimp po' boy. Alright, here's our final step. I'm gonna take our shrimp onion pepper mixture and add it to a hoagie bun. I'm gonna top that with some Kobe Jack cheese, and I preheated my oven to 500 because I want the cheese to melt really fast and not really cook the shrimp and give a slight toasting to the bun. So preheat your oven really high and put it in for about a minute and a half, 2 minutes. And oh yeah, looking good. All right, here's our po' boy before we put it in the preheated oven. Oh yeah. And here's our final product, naked shrimp po' boy. Oh yeah, let you soak that up one more time. I'd like to thank you guys for checking out Ghetto Gourmet's freestyle recipe. If you have time, check the description box below for the recipe. Please hit that like and subscribe button. Oh yeah. Feel free to improve on these recipes. Leave a comment below. And always keep on cooking. Oh yeah.